Hello everyone, I'm Claudio from Cartitude, and today we have in our studio this Tesla Model 3, brand new car, 2022 model, and is here at Cartitude for full front end Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF protection on the high impact areas on the front. The car is already completed, it's looking great. Let's go to see the process, and then I will come back with more details about the work that we did on this car in the last days. As you've seen before, all high impact areas was protected with PPF, full bonnet, front wings, mirror cover, headlights, and the full front bumper. It's not an easy bumper to be installed because it's a lot of stretch in this side, but in the same time these corners and sensors need to be aligned perfectly, but we are the masters. We installed as well PPF on the center display inside of the car because it's a touch screen and it's better to be protected. Now the car is look fresh, is fully protected and ready to hit the roads. By the way, what do you think about electric cars? Because most of our customers, they start to go for electric cars, especially when most big city centers, they start with low emission zones. Electric cars can be a solution. What do you think? It is a solution or not? Please comment below, like, subscribe, and I'm looking forward to see you again in our future videos. See you soon, guys.